would you say in Hindi, where do I find an astrologer?
मुझे ज्योतिषी कहाँ मिलेगा?
Do you know a good palm reader?
क्या आप एक अच्छे हाथ पढ़ने वाले ज्योतिषी को जानते हैं?
I need to know when to get married.
मैं जानना चाहती हूँ मुझे शादी कब करनी चाहिए.
I clean myself from bad eye every week.
मैं अपने से बुरी नज़र हर हफ्ते उतरवाती हूँ.
I am a seeker.
मैं अध्यात्म की खोज में हूँ.
India is a spiritual country.
भारत एक आध्यात्मिक देश है.
There are so many religions in India.
भारत में इतने सारे धर्म हैं.
India has changed my life.
भारत ने मेरी ज़िंदगी बदल दी है.
Yes, I believe in astrology. I believe a lot. Lots of things have come true when she said. It has come true on the right time. I think both men and female both goes, but men goes more. They believe it. You must have seen lots of men wearing lots of rings. Even our film star, Bollywood film stars and all that, they really believe it. They wear emerald, they wear topaz. So this all is done by astrologers. Or should I wait for marriage?
No.
Should I wait till she becomes?
You don't have to wait for marriage because Tarun is a good boy and their compatibility is excellent.
Yeah.
They're going to have a good future prospects together.
Yeah.
You need not to worry about them at all because Tarun will allow her to work her own.
Okay, fine.
And
Because Puneet, I believe you so much that whatever you say it comes up true and all.
people are coming to me every day and they are coming with so many problems. In Europe, people come to astrologers just for fun, for entertainment. They are not serious about astrology. But in India, everyone is serious because they come here for taking serious decisions of major decisions of life. They come for compatibility charts. They come for their career counseling. About Aman.
Yeah.
He has got exalted Saturn in second house and this is the house of education. 2009 is not going to be a good year for him. Because he has to struggle a lot, he has to put more efforts. Even then he won't be able to get good results. Astrologers in India are more like psychologists. They give better counseling than psychologists. It is difficult to bring a patient to a doctor, to a psychiatric, because they will not feel comfortable. They will not able to share, and it make them feel like a patient. But when they come to an astrologer, they feel more comfortable because they are not treated as a patient. They are treated as a friend, as a client.
So I want him to be settled down in Bombay or in India where he will be settled, and at what age, at what time he will get married and all that. I just want to know about his future.
The whole country is mystic in itself. Place here nearby to Jaipur, Mahangarh. So it is inhabited by ghostly places, and previously the queen used to live there before the Jaipur was developed, and due to some witchcraft practices, it was abandoned there, and still nobody tries and dares to go there.
India is mystical and its people in its land. If you once happen to be here, you won't find it quite easy to get away from it. That is what I feel.
Vad skönt det här är.
Nu ska vi till öknen. Stekhet sand, stekhet sol här i Bikaner vid gränsen till Pakistan.
Vi är bara 80 kilometer från gränsen och vi ska åka med kamel djupt in i öknen. Så det finns stor risk att vi åker vilse. Har du passet med?
Ja, passa med. Öken här är lite annorlunda än till exempel Sahara. Det finns dyner och sådär, men det finns också träd och buskar, så det är inte lika torrt som man kanske är van vid när man tänker på öken.
Det ser mer ut som en steppmark, men det finns också de här stora djupa dynerna. Och det här är alltså Rajasthans kärna för det sagolika och mystiska. Och vi ska ge oss ut och försöka hitta Maharajan.
I'm doing that.
No. It's like, how do I stare it?
Det är lite som en häst, men det är så att sätta fötterna.
Mot Pakistan. 1974, då sprängde faktiskt Indien sin första atombomb i det här området. Och sen så fortsatte det 1998 med 5 provsprängningar i rad. Och det ställde till ett liv.
Ja, då blev grannen helt skitförbannad. Pakistan svarade med samma salva. Och sen dess har det pågått ett sånt här terrorkrig, ett kallt krig mellan länderna som jag tror har nog skrämt hela världen faktiskt.
Varken Indien eller Pakistan, jag vet inte vad som kommer att hända, och jag tror att det tänker väl säkert omvärlden också. Men här känner man ju inte av det.
Nej.
First we are making a tea, this is special tea, one desert tea, and after we are making a overnight dinner. So we can take a traditional desert dinner.
Okej.
There is near is Pakistan, and you can see that Pakistan is same like this. Only the difference is between the political borders. Nothing that any type of physically changing. Same words is there like a Pakistani.
And same people.
Same people and sometimes same camels also, and same language also sometimes. Because they're also speaking the same language. The people are with all our people who are living here. They are very calm and satisfied. They have not money, they not have water, they not have facility, but they have peace. They have brotherhood. They have living to each other. They have enjoy with their sometimes in Deepavali, sometimes their religions. They have enjoy every occasion.
Landskapet är jättevarierande här i öknen. Bara ett stenkast från vår lägereld så har vi hittat sådana helt underbara sanddyner.
Det är grönt i öknen nu, och det beror på att det regnar så sent som för ungefär 1 månad sedan. Men nästa år, då det har gått några månader av torka, då kommer det vara alldeles utbränt och grått här.
Man ser ännu fortfarande jättemycket djur. Vi har sett kossor och kameler och sånt. De hittar ännu massa att äta. Djuren är jätteviktiga för indierna. Och